Hey you guys, this is Michelle Goldstein. You're at Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. We've got Josh Rosebrook here today, and he's going to tell us why oil is so important for your skin.
Yes, it's a big topic. Oils have become very popular over the last few years. I started using oil on my face many years ago to cleanse because oil gathers up all of the dirt and pollution very easily and cleanses your skin. At the same time, that's how the skin moisturizes itself, is through sebum. And those lipids that the skin is made of and holds itself together with obviously create that penetration for oils to go into your skin and deliver their actives and vitamins and minerals and all of the phytonutrients that are in the oils into the skin. Oil is very skin compatible. It's important to find out and know your skin because different ratios of fatty acids can either be better for dry skin or acne prone combination. But once you find that out, it's pretty easy to determine what oil is going to work best for your skin. But oils support everything within the skin because it's part of its innate structure. You notice that after using an oil, that's really how you're going to lock the moisture into your skin as well, as creams are made of oil. Everything we use to moisturize the face has an oil base.
Yeah, absolutely. The next question that I'm gonna bring up is why it's important to use high quality oil. I can tell you that personally, the oils that I eat and that I cook with, I'm particular about what I use because bad oil is terrible for you. And good oil is like the very best. Josh uses the very best. I can't even go on and on enough about this. The very best ingredients that I've ever seen in any kind of beauty product, period.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's really tricky out there to navigate because there is a lot of rancid oil on the market that's in skincare products, that's in cooking oils. Oil breaks, many oils are not very stable and they're used in the wrong way, and a lot of them are cut because anything that's of quality and value is ultimately chopped up and sold and adulterated and given to us, and it's not what it's really supposed to be. So it's really understanding the sources, and my brand is the whole foundation of the brand was based on sourcing quality ingredients, and it's always organic. Because when you have an organic oil, first of all, it is grown in soil that's more nutrient dense. The plant is not sprayed with herbicides and pesticides, and so it actually has more bioavailable nutrients into your body and into your skin, and it's more compatible because it doesn't contain trace herbicides and pesticides. Quality is the most important. When choosing your oils and understanding what best suits you, I design my oils for face around a unique fatty acid profile that supports dry skin, acne-prone skin in combination, and sensitive skin. Oil is a multi-use product. It's used to cleanse, to remove makeup, and to moisturize with. What makes my herbal infusion oil very special is obviously the organic nature of all of the plants and herbs that are in it, whether it's chickweed, neem, calendula, bilberry. These are all antioxidant and anti-inflammatory rich herbs that are infused into the oil. So they're not just base carrier oils that are nutrient dense, but you're delivering the skin a huge dose of active nutrients via the herbs. And then the carrier oils in this are hemp seed, grapeseed oil, olive oil, really nutrient-dense oils that serve skin balance and help moisturize and protect the skin.
It's amazing stuff, you guys. You should definitely check it out.
It's a way of designing a oil blend that creates a really healthy profile that suits all skin types.
Amazing. So which oils do you recommend?
I have my herbal infusion oil, and this is an incredible oil when it comes to, it's a 3-in-1 product, so it's excellent to remove makeup and oil cleanse and use as a moisturizer. The herbal infusion oil, hemp seed, jojoba, grapeseed oil, these are all rich rich in omega-6, omega-9, and creates a really incredible moisturizing product and a cleansing product for your face.
There you go.
Oils are very important to
Yeah.
skin balance and protection.
Simple. And so if you use this oil-free product, consider trying a high quality oil for your skin. Please do yourself a favor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you next week.